Peace Camber introduces confidence building course of English under the supervision of Dazan Lashari. Learn the secrets of communication and rule the world. The course is designed with the consultation of Sindh University professors. The course aims at enhancing 4 skills of language with a special focus on spoken and understanding. The course is designed for students and professionals lacking in communication skills. The course activities: regular practice through computer, essay writing and pressy as per CSS standard, paragraph translation from Sindhi to English and vice versa, stories, dialogues and documentaries, regular article comprehension from down, regular presentation. So join us and know yourself. दाखलाओं जारियां हैं. Classes would start from 20th of this May. Address: Peace Institute of IT and English, near Public School, Camber. Contact: Abbas Korejo 0300 3434 235, Dazan Lashari 0333 71 50312. Phone 0744 211 366. Web www.peacecamber.com.